Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to turn a Vimeo video into a blog post using Blogify. Blogify is an easy-to-use tool powered by artificial intelligence that helps you generate high-quality blog posts from video content. To follow along, you can find a link in the description below to create a free Blogify account and start using it right away. Let's begin. First, click the link in the video description to go to Blogify's official website. Once there, you'll see an option to sign up or start a free trial. Click on it and you'll be directed to the registration page. Enter your name and email address or choose to sign up with your Google account for a faster process. Once you've entered your details, check your email inbox for a verification email from Blogify. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. After that, return to the Blogify website and log in using your new credentials. This will take you to the dashboard where all the features are available. Now, switch over to Vimeo and find the video you want to turn into a blog post. Search for the video by title or browse through your library if you've already uploaded it. Once you've found the video, play it briefly to ensure it's the one you want. Then, copy the video's URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Make sure the URL is correct, as you'll need it to proceed in Blogify. Next, return to Blogify and look for the option to create a new blog post. This should be prominently displayed on the dashboard. Click on it and you'll see a field where you can paste the Vimeo video URL. Paste the link you copied earlier into this field and then click the button to start the conversion process. Blogify's AI will begin analyzing the video and extracting key points to generate the text for your blog post. Depending on the video's length, this may take a few moments. Once the conversion process is complete, Blogify will display a draft of your blog post. This draft will contain a summary of the video's main points, formatted into readable text. Review the draft carefully to ensure that it includes all the essential details and aligns with the video content. If you notice anything that needs to be adjusted, you can edit the text directly in Blogify's editor. This is also your chance to personalize the post by adding your tone, refining the introduction, or providing additional context for your readers. While editing, you can use Blogify's formatting tools to make your blog post more visually appealing. Add headings, bullet points, numbered lists, or images to organize the content and make it engaging for readers. Take your time to structure the post in a way that enhances readability and highlights the most important points. When you're satisfied with your edits, save your work. You'll then have the option to download the blog post as a text file or copy it to your clipboard for easy pasting into your blog platform. If Blogify integrates with your blogging platform, follow the on-screen instructions to publish the post directly from Blogify. This can streamline the process and save you time. That's how you can quickly and efficiently turn a Vimeo video into a well-written blog post using Blogify. It's a simple way to repurpose video content and share valuable information with your audience. If you want to try Blogify for free, click the link in the description below.